But now, when I go to the quick change, it's not working. Now you wonder why? It's not working because this screw, now this is a new movement, mind you, this screw is too loose. Just a turn, sorry, too tight. And just a turn, and there we go. But why do I not like that? I don't like that because I am now forced to have a screw that is honestly very loose in this movement. And I don't like that. I don't want to have... And I mean, I might be able to overcome that by lubricating this part under here, which you can kind of see there. It's like kind of copper colored or brass colored. I would like to have all my screws in here a little tight and not be forced to lubricate a movement that is new. So, I don't know. I mean, really, as a watchmaker, or watch mechanic, I should say, don't want to call myself a watchmaker, watch mechanic, there are no bad movements. I have no judgments of, or I have very few judgments of movements that come across my bench. I'm just interested in addressing problems and getting to know the movement and making them the best they can be. That's really the spirit. But still, being forced to have a screw that is loose, I don't like, personally. Just a thought. Thanks for watching.